What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be installing new puddle lights. I don't know if y'all remember last video I showed y'all the puddle lights that Edgar was doing had on his car. He just got them, but he didn't get them done. We're about to do them right now. So let me just get started by taking off the side skirts and everything, getting everything ready. But before we start with my car, we're just gonna end up putting spacers on his car so we can fix his rear fitment. I'm gonna show y'all his fitment right now, and we're gonna fix that though. Currently, this is how his rear fitment's sitting. You wanna poke it out a little bit more, right? These are by 9.5. Yeah, so 9.5. He's right now he's running only one of the Amazon's. Oh man, Amazon AutoZone spacers. But we're gonna end up getting. He got some extended studs, so we're gonna end up switching the rear studs and putting an extra spacer on it, so that way it can poke out a little bit more. Cause we try to put it with another spacer on it, but the studs that's original, they don't stick out far enough, so you can't put the studs, the locks on it. Yeah, so in my block we never really got parking, so we just make it work somehow. Whatever works, right? Work that joint sideways. But let's get his car jacked up real quick, take the rear tires off, and take these studs off and install the new ones. So Edgar got the car jacked up. About to take the rear calipers off, so that way we can take the disc off and take those things off. You want to cut them easy, just to make it easier? Hopefully we don't gotta do like we'd have to do on mine, is shave that little rear part. Let's see. Oh, but before I forget, guys, if y'all interested in some sponsors, stickers, got some available in the car, the YouTube. So whenever y'all see me around, just ask for one. Told this man we could just cut the thing with the grinder. You want to just use a hammer. But we're still gonna need.
No one piece. I want violence always.
Just use the grinder and shave it off a little bit. Gotta do what you gotta do sometimes.
Yeah, we need the grinder.
Yeah, we need the grinder, right? Exactly. Let me go with the grinder. So after he got tired of hammering and not being able to put it, he finally decided to use the grinder like I told him. Grinded that little piece up a little bit. And that was an easier way to put the studs. Now we just get one of the open-ended lugs and just put them right in. So let's swap all those out, put the other side, and see how the fitment looks with the new space with two, instead of having one spacer, just put two of them in. Let's get that done. So that's how the rear fitment looking now. It pokes out way more than before, so it looks way better. He's on the sidewalk, so this side's kind of look up a little bit. Over here is pushing in, but once he gets off the sidewalk, it's gonna look better. And for the front, you're gonna get the upper control and just to take off some camber out, because it has the stock camber on the front when he lowered it. So he want to straighten up the wheels so that way it matches with the rear. But that's how it's looking right now. Front. See, so if you straighten up that front wheel, it takes off some camber. It'll be good. Here, look way better now compared to how I was earlier. Look at this. From over here. See how it pokes? Way better now. Matches. But it matches the front.
Huh?
It matches the front.
Yeah.
Look way better now. Oh yeah. Alright, let me get started taking these things off real quick. So I'm just let that wire. So I ain't recorded, but I got the side skirts off. We got all the lights here. I had to go to the Walmart real quick and get some screws for them. So I gotta get these brackets off, get these old screws and put some new screws on it. Make it, cause they're all flimsy from when I was static. I ended up messing them up. But I start putting the wires on and the new lights and then mount them to the car. Yeah, so basically these aren't the eBay ones that they sell. These are full custom. They do show mode, They do change all the colors and stuff like that. And like remember, I got the lights, they change colors here in the front. I also got the rear reflectors to change colors. I'm thinking of an idea of what to do with the tail lights to make them also change colors, but I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do them or what. So I'm thinking if I don't do it with these, I'm gonna end up getting the spiral ones. Spiral, I don't know how to say it. But making those clears and they got the little light that goes right here and here and making those change colors. So I'll probably do those. If I can't find something for those, I'm gonna end up just ordering those and doing these. But let me finish up doing all the wiring and everything, connecting it to the module, and then I'm gonna show you. So all the brackets are on already. I gotta do this side right now. But all the lights are put on. It started raining, so I'm trying to hurry up. Let me just put everything on the car, run all the wiring, and once it starts raining, it's a little dark, and I'll just show you what the lights look like. So we just wired everything right now just to test it out. The lights is going. Kind of see it right now, but I'm gonna just wait till tonight where it gets a little darker. Once it gets, so that way I can show y'all better. Also the reflectors still. Yo, why my reflector's not on? Hold up. Connect them joints.
Can't really see it much on the...
Shut up. Give me a second. Make sure everything's working fine. Alright, I'll show you the reflectors now. There you go. Cool. So basically everything's done. All wired up. That's how it's looking. You can kind of see it right now with the show mode. This is got it on the Philip ones, but I'm gonna take the car out later on tonight when it gets a little darker, so I can get a better video and show you exactly how it looks. So let's wait till later on, and then I'll get back with y'all. So right now we had to take the driver's side skirt off because we're having a problem with the two main ones switch colors, but the back ones is having a problem. So then we're having an issue right here with the wiring. Because once you move the wiring, all the other ones start turning off. So we gotta take that one off real quick and see what's happening. So all that moving around, taking everything off was useless because ended up being the negative for this one. It wasn't connected correctly on the battery, and I kind of put the wrong amount of LEDs on the module thingy on the phone, so it was just not connecting everything. But now everything's working perfectly fine. So I got the front, backs, you know. So like once it gets darker, like I said earlier, I'm gonna go take it out, go get some photos, and some videos posted up in the gram. So, all right, so it's currently nighttime right now. I went over and got me a cut real quick, but I'm back in the house right now. I'm about to show y'all what the lights look like in the dark. Let me flip the camera and put it on the computer. All that. So this is what they look like right now. Like front, bottom ones. These joints look crazy. Also got the rear lights. Hold on, I'm about to. Now I also got the roof that changed the starlights. This gonna look good. Man, shout out to Edgar for real. He killed it with these lights. I guess also we got a whole lot of different motions on it, so let's say I got all the thing. Fading, the catch-ups. Basically in this mode I got 180 different modes on it, so I could just go through with them. But there y'all seen it, guys. That's a wrap for the video. This look good, man. If y'all do want these if y'all want these custom puddle lights, all you gotta do is hit up Edgar. I'm gonna put his username for his Instagram. So basically, just stay tuned for the next video. All right, see ya.